Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Patricia. I am the Oily Housewife. So today in this video, I actually want to make a chicken and vegetable soup. My husband doesn't want noodles, so I'm going to do vegetables. And he loves potatoes, so I'm replacing the noodles with a whole bunch of potatoes. So here I have my cutting board, I have my chicken thawing. My girls are playing right behind me, so if you hear scratching noises, can you get out of the kitchen? Go away. Okay, let's get to it. I am ready to get started. I actually put my dogs outside so I don't get bothered. So here I have my chicken breast, and I'm just going to cut this and kind of like get rid of any other skin or pieces that I don't want. Okay, yes. So, I did forget one thing. I'm actually going to start my little Pioneer Woman pot. So let me get that started. Put some, I don't really like oil. I actually reserve bacon fat in this thing right here. So the bacon fat will just enhance the flavor. So I'm just gonna put maybe about 2 tablespoons. So let me do that really quick. Okay, so this is going to be enough chicken for my husband. He's actually the only one going to eat the soup because I'm actually on a carnivore diet, and I will make some videos on it. I started 2 months ago. I'm actually on my 3rd month, and I'm very much enjoying it. I lost 30 pounds so far in 2 months. So if my husband doesn't want the chicken, I'll eat the chicken, but hopefully he does. All right, I got the bacon fat going. I'm going to add my chicken, let it cook a little bit, add some salt, pepper, cut my vegetables in the meantime, and then keep going. Fan going. Oops. Really? All right, so I'm actually going to wash my board a little bit. It's so handy, I have my garbage right here. Let me rinse this off. All right, next up, let's do, I'm gonna do half an onion. I forgot one thing. Hold on. Thieves, if you actually open, oh, hold on. Okay. Oh, okay. Get this in the air around my eyes. Okay. Leave it on the cutting board. It actually helps with the crying. Oh, these onions. Love onions, but not when they make me cry. Okay, little tip, grab the little tail. You can actually get closer. I think that's enough. And another rough chop, because my husband doesn't like chunky onions. I'm telling you, these onions. All right. I think that's good enough. Time to go in the pot with the chicken. Actually, let me stir up these chicken real quick. See how it's going. actually going to sprinkle some salted salt in here. Get that going. Also add some pepper, just a little bit, just so it can kind of stick to the chicken and to the onions. Okay, next up I'm going to do my potatoes. Where's my peeler here? Okay. Alright, this is looking good. And all that brown, that is definitely what we are looking for. Alright, I'm going to add in my potatoes. Okay, I have 2 carrots, I got the parsnip, and I have some celery. I think I'm only going to do 2 of these. I'll wash these real quick. Okay, I'm gonna actually hit it with another pinch of salt just to kind of get the potatoes going. I always try to season in between, and don't season a lot because you could over salt. You can always add salt, but never take out. Time to go in the pot. Look how good this is looking. Alright, let's put in the rest of the vegetables. Another pinch of salt. Add some black pepper and paprika. A generous amount. Just going to get this going a little bit more, because now I'm going to add my water. Lid on, let it go for a little bit, and I'll come back. Alright, cutting is done. Tip number 1 was the thieves. So open the lid, open the plastic, smell it, put it on your cutting board. It actually cuts down on the crying when you cut onions. The second one, purification. So purification, I actually like to put it not in my garbage, but on this little Christmas hanging thingamabobber, whatever it's called. I'll just attach it. I'll put like maybe 5 drops, and it's hidden, so when you open, you don't see it, and when you close it, you don't see it. Just shift this over there, just kind of like that. Okay, these 2 are must-haves in the kitchen. Alright, let's check on this soup. It has been a while. Love the color. Alright, it is time to add some more salt. Another pinch. I tasted it earlier and it definitely needed some more salt. But the flavor, oh, the flavor is definitely there from all of the vegetables. And now, at this stage, I'm actually going to add some parsley. Alright, cover this back up, and I'm going to leave it for another maybe 10 minutes or till actually, hold on, let me see something. Alright, I'm going to cover this up, leave it for another like 10 minutes till carrots and everything else are mushy, and I'll come back.